National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from east Dubuque to near Nashville, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shullsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Wheeler, New Diggings, South Wayne, Lemont, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, Leslie, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe